The tenant say, let me a farmer, but the tenant say, farmer was 20%.
Oh, bra. It's a papa crowd, ya obey your mammy, and only me babbages come.
Sister, 2 pompos at Toya.
A selena than only me, dear. So, myself.
Ah! Hi. Give we pa. Scavi what me dear. Sia, scare me share me answer. I'm assuming the corporate made their credit. But in fact, gave it to a mafia. A mafia. Hey! Me pa na mini. Give we met train rough. Me. Me man who say yes. Me ne chinchina twa be man. Okay. The mayor. Hello. Offer. Offer na madun ho ofie. Me pacho. Me kwa na adwam no ne ho ntimi ba no ofie. Offer mate. What's $100 won? Me pacho na me ka kire na magi. You didn't go to hospital. You didn't do hospital na me rush say me ba no ho no. Me pacho wan. Pacho you. Om di so me no kra na esi ne so. Me pacho you. Madam afternoon. Me pacho kra me ba wadwumam. E no mo kire say wo nyam adwumam wo fie. E ne say. No mam direction ba say me pacho me na ya na me wo fama me ba giska wo ho no. Last time me ba giska wo me wo fa. Na wo say friend say me na magiska biem e wo ho me ma me yale am e de na koto hospital enye easy e na wo frame say say me magi $100 e wo ho no the best send wo
$100
$100
on sending me skebia so
wo se won send you about the best send wo adwumam why busy ntin nka wo pon a no wa de asend wo no kwa na me ne kasa wo phone so to de wada roma why mommy yale ye ma me yale e die
o de me ba why
me pa cho ma te me twen why no enno nyina ho adene sesi a wo se me yale ya semo yale we kura de ne sei wo china wo yale na de bi offer sandiska no offer sandiska sa
abranse
yeah I was saying $100 na.
Mat says come me dey ma oni nyina ha me cause come dey koya die.
Oh, we be send am as see and we dey any problem. Why? We be send am. Impacho any. Impacho na me da se. Na me ka se bia wo see this crowd on this
What's $100? Me gina me wo see this and come me the dollars na be ma.
Mat ene me kwose sanama cost with we see and bibia ni ampacho ni ibi share. You me da se nyame share pa.
Adi we di mo remo no for crowd soon send me skebia o na me dey encourage na my medine san Hello Offer Sam I'm a patcho yama. Me say se na me pie freedom akwadwuma na wo fa sene ba me ho. Say wo si won beje $100 bi na wo nua ba ne yare. Wo say Offer Sam, wo se won ka bibia nkyere no. Into no na ba bebu me sa no. No, for some way to do dinner by you. Into where the cow be send their mammy and uncle be anything. One Sunday. I saw of our soon him say $100 a mood. Miss Cano Crammy, Miss Alumunia massacre, and then come day. A quack was sister, now come with a coffin near my good saloon. It's been a woman, son, one. Son of us, and it's a woman. Mimi de bia scam besi mi so na me fama no afede odi nyansa kwan so aba beje mi misika ekodi enti ne kra won send this cano mempe kwan ya mede beje misika ati sasa na ofa wo ka chi me amati hey na we mi ko hia no yen fa na agi misika Me cry so minim ni feel. There be ska we there kwan bia so what say me hwehwe ne na me gye ma de. Hey! Na be ma utimi be your bazan Jesus ska we free ni ho. Na me oba kra me yes azan no. Boy we wo ho. Se man hand dan ya manande ma.